Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So do you want to auto post your vlog content on Twitter automatically? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video you will learn how you can auto share your vlogger post on Twitter. So I manage the posting of my vlog content through Google Vlogger. I want that as soon as a new vlog has been published on my Google Vlogger account, automatically a tweet should be created on my X, that is formerly Twitter account. Now for that, what I've done is I've created this amazing automation using Pabbly Connect. Now whenever the new blog is going to be published on my Google Vlogger account, automatically an AI agent, for which I am using OpenAI, a tweet is going to be generated. As the tweet is generated, we are going to post that content on our X, that is formerly Twitter account. Okay, so now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this amazing automation as well, for that I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation between these two applications is going to work in real time. Okay, what I will do is I'm going to create a new post on my vlogger right now. I'm going to click on this new post button. Then I will enter the title over here as well as the body and then publish the post. So let me enter all the details. So this is the title and the content body. You can see right here, title is how to accessorize for every occasion, and you can see right over here, this is the content. I will publish this post right over here and click on this confirm button. As soon as you can see right over here, this post has been published successfully. Now I will open my Twitter account. I will refresh my profile page from here. And as I refresh the page, you can see we have received a new tweet. Transform your style with the right accessories for any occasion. Discover tips of statement pieces, chic watches and more. Okay, so you can see right over here, this is the new tweet that is created from the vlog that was posted on my Google Vlogger account. This tweet is created through an amazing AI. Okay, and now we're going to create this amazing automation using Pabbly Connect, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. So on the new tab, browse website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After I browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, ask questions, share your feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now let's dive into creating this amazing automation. Over here on the landing page, you have two options. So if you're an existing user like I am, you can directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with us, you can simply sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account, where you will see the all Pabbly apps section next. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this access now button. As soon as I've done that, Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, click on this create workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here, and firstly we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as auto share your vlogger post on Twitter. This is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders. Create your own folder using this plus button right here. For the folder, I'll select the workflows folder and click on this create button. The workflow has now been created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. I'm going to add a trigger application right over here. And for the trigger application, I will select over here as Google Vlogger. I want that as soon as a new vlog has been posted on my Google Vlogger account, this trigger should capture the response of that. Event over here is going to be new post added. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before from the drop down, but I will tell you how you can add a new one. Click on this sign in with Google button right over here. Then we have to choose an account through which we are managing our Google Vlogger. This is the account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the permission for this account, for which I will click on this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay. For the vlog ID, I will select the ID that I have created in the name of my vlog. You have to select the ID where you're creating the new post. And for the status, I want only those vlog responses should be captured whose status is live. I don't want draft or scheduled, so that is why I will select live. You can also select draft and scheduled according to your requirement. Okay. So now over here, after selecting the vlog ID and the status, next is this save and send test request button. As soon as you're going to click on this button, the last vlog that was posted on your Google Vlogger account is going to be captured in this response. So before we click on this button, I am going to create a new post right here. Okay. Now I will enter the title and the body right over here of my vlog. The title is Street Style Look That Are Trending Now, and this is the body you can see right over here. To preview this vlog, I'm going to click on this preview button, and this is the vlog that I have created, Street Style Looks That Are Trending Now. Overview, you can see I've entered few points. Okay, so now let us publish this vlog. For that, I'm going to click on this publish button and on this confirm button, and the vlog is successfully created. You can see right over here. Now what we are going to do is, over here I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. We have received the response in which we have received the title, and this is the same title you can see right over here, Street Style Looks That Are Trending Now. Okay, this is the same title, and for the body we have also captured the response of the body, you can see right here. Okay, so as now this title and the body has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Google Vlogger is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now over here you can see next to the icon of Google Vlogger, it says the trigger will check for next new data in 8 hours. Okay, this trigger will check for new data in 8 hours. Google Vlogger is a polling based application. That means in every 8 hours, whenever the new data is going to be captured by Google Vlogger, it is going to send that new data to Pabbly Connect in the duration that is selected right here. Okay, if you want to make any changes in the polling duration, you can contact us on Pabbly forum. Okay, so now after setting up our trigger, now I want to generate a tweet related to this vlog. For that, simply I will use an AI agent, and for AI I am using OpenAI. Okay, I will select my action application as OpenAI. Event is going to be ChatGPT. Click on this connect button. Now over here, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. It is asking for the token which we will find in our OpenAI account. To go towards the API keys section, click on the hyperlink given in Pabbly Connect right here. You will land towards the API keys page of OpenAI account right here. We are going to create a new key from here. For the name of the key, let's suppose I'm going to give it as new project. I'll select the default, and permissions, give all the permissions. Create the key from here. Key is created, copied from here, simply paste it and click on the save button, and this is how simple it is to build the connection. We have to select the AI model first. AI model is the model using which our AI is going to generate us a content. For the AI model, I am going to use GPT-4o Mini. If you want to use any other AI models, like for better results, you can definitely select it according to your requirement. Then we have to enter a prompt. Prompt is a text using which an AI agent is going to generate us a content according to our requirement. In the prompt, we need to mention all the things that we want and do not want. So for the prompt over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the prompt that I have entered. You are a creative social media assistant. I will provide you with the vlog title and the vlog description. Your task is to generate a catchy, engaging and concise tweet that summarizes the vlog content. Use a friendly professional tone, include relevant hashtag and make it under 100 characters. Okay, so I've entered a limit of characters. I've entered what all I want. So this is my requirement. Now we have to give the title and the description of this vlog right over here. So for the title and the description data, I will map it. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step, so we are going to do it. Simply select this title right over here. You will see the previous step is going to appear. Click on it. This is the same response. In this response, I have received the title. You can see right over, and I have to provide this vlog title. So I'll select the date of the title from my previous response. In the similar manner, I'm going to enter the date of the description over here as well. This is the content. Okay. So now as I've selected these fields, you can see right over here from my previous response, you can see the data is mapped right here. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data like the type, like the title and the content is going to be updated in place of these mapped fields. Okay, then simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, and you can see I have received this response. In the response you will receive this message content, and this is the AI generated content. Okay, discover the hottest street style trends of the season. For mix and match prints to comfy, get inspired, you can see right over here with the hashtags. Okay, so as now this AI response has been received, now let us create a new tweet. For that, add an action step, in which from action application I will select over here as Twitter X, that is formerly Twitter. Event is going to be create tweet. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can again select the existing connection, but I'll tell you how you can add a new one. Click on this connect with X button. It is asking for the client ID and the secret. Now from where you can find the client ID and the secret. For that, simply go to this learn more hyperlink. You will land towards Pabbly forum page. In Pabbly forum, it is asking for us to open our Twitter developer site. So I'm going to open the site of developer of my Twitter account. You will find the link over here in the Pabbly forum help test itself. Okay, then you will land towards the developer platform of Twitter. Now over here you need to create an app inside the developer portal. Okay, and for that you will find all the things right here. I've already created my portal and the application as well. So by following all the steps given here below in Pabbly forum, you have to create your own developer portal and then create an application inside it. So if I'm going to open my portal from here, you will find that I have already created an application, which I'll show you right over here under projects and apps. I've already created this application, and in the application that you will create, you are going to receive this client ID and secret right here. So I'm going to simply copy these details from here and paste over here in the fields, but you need to create your own application as well as portal, set it up, and then you will find all these details. Okay, I will simply paste it and click on the save button. And then you will find it is asking for the permission for our account to authorize our Pabbly Connect with Twitter. For that, I'm going to click on this button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now firstly it is asking for us to enter a message, that is a tweet that we want to post. I'm going to simply map the data of this generated content right here. Now over here in this content that I've mapped, you will see some of these words. These are just emojis that has been extended as words right over here. It is visible like this, but as you're going to create a new post on your Twitter, you will find these are just simple emojis. Okay, so do not worry about what are these words entered in the middle of the tweet. Okay, now it is asking for all the other details which I do not want, so I'm going to skip the part. Now after that, what I want is I want to add the vlog link over here as well. So I'm going to write over here as vlog link, and then simply I'm going to map the data of the link that I have received of my blog, the URL, and simply click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received the response in which I've received the ID, that is a positive response. If I'm going to open my Twitter page and refresh this profile from here, as soon as I will refresh the profile, you can see right over here I have created this amazing tweet. You can see discover the hottest street style trends of the season, and I have also added the URL of the vlog as well. Okay, if I'm going to open the URL, you will see this is the same vlog that was created. Okay, so as now this tweet is automatically created, now my Twitter audience are also going to be on the same page with all the vlogs that I have created using Google Vlogger. Okay, so now as this tweet has been created, the connection between all these applications is now been successfully done. Now whenever a new vlog is going to be created on my Google Vlogger account, this trigger is going to capture the response of that, but in every 8 hours. Okay, then the AI agent, that is OpenAI ChatGPT, is going to generate us a tweet, firstly analyzing the content, and it will generate a tweet relevant to my platform, Twitter platform. Okay, and then using X create tweet, we have automatically shared the vlog on our Twitter site. So this was it for this video of how you can automatically post your vlog content on your Twitter without you lifting up your finger. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this video that I have created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want to use this link as a reference for your business as well, you will find the link of this workflow in the description section. Simply use it. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.